In this project, we're looking to create a detention system, so we'd like to store some water from the site. We already have some design in place. We have a surface and we also have some design roads. The civil site design interface consists of multiple tabs in the ribbons: surfaces, grading, alignments, roads and pipes. Let's have a focus on grading. So we'd like to do a simple dam structure or water storage structure in this area, and we can start that design simply by drawing a polyline. So what I'm doing here is sketching a shape, thinking about what sort of design that I'm looking for, and I can turn that into a 3D element. I go to the grading tab and I click on create grading. So what this panel lets me do, I pick my polyline, and I can then convert this 2D polyline into something three-dimensional. So let's call this dam. I'm going to pick a typical cross-section, okay, which we call a template. And templates are very easy to make. It's a spreadsheet, so you can drive whatever shape you'd like to drive. Lots of different templates you can build, also with subgrade for volumes. So we're going to use this shape, and we'll start by picking an elevation in here, and we'll just reduce that elevation because we'd like to be in cut to store some water. So I'm going to make that 38 meters, and that's really it. We pick a shape, we pick an elevation to start with, and once I click on create, the software goes ahead and creates a structure. And this is three-dimensional. We now have a surface. Okay, so that surface we can annotate. We can obtain volumes just by clicking on the volumes button, and we now know the volume of earthworks. If we click on vertical grading, we can then see the design vertically for this feature and edit that if we want to. The software is dynamic, so we can grab the shape of this object and move it around. We can also look at this object in 3D. So if I just bring up the model viewer, you can bring this up at any time. So this is a view of the design in 3D, so you can get a total appreciation. So this is model viewer. We can see our extra element in here. And this will dynamically update as we change our grading. So as we grab our feature and start shifting it, you can see the terrain updating here, and when we have a look in the 3D viewer, we'll see as well that shape updates. So you have a live update of information as you make design changes. Bringing this window back, we can also again qualify our volumes, and this button here will actually let you design along the long section. So if we get everything sort of in play here, here's the information in plan, terrain being built, there it is in 3D, and as I make design changes, as I decide to lift and lower this shape, you'll see it update in here, and you'll also see it update in the model. So we now have a very simple toolkit to analyze, assess detention systems and build a storage setup that we would like to have. This is implying a single grade. You are the designer. You could put a bottom on this, and you could keep adding information, and you can see the grades, you can see the elevations as you push changes. So there you go, it was a quick tour of civil site design looking at a grading situation.